Here you see an equation that of course isn't correct. 62 minus 63 isn't 1, it's -1. But you can correct this equation by taking exactly one digit and moving it to another position. Pause the video for a moment and see if you can figure out what the idea is here. And if not, don't worry. The more practice you have with these, the easier they become. And I'll give you 2 tips in a moment, and I think then you'll see where this is going. Tip number 1. It actually has to do with exponents again, which we need to incorporate here. And more specifically, tip number 2, it has something to do with powers of 2 and this 62. Because if you... Attention, here's the solution. Take the 6 and move it up into the exponent. Well, then the 62 becomes 2 to the power of 6, but that is 64. And 64 minus 63, look at that, is of course 1, and the equation is correct. For more exercises like this, and I do recommend them because the more you do, the easier they get, take a look over here. I'm telling you, after 2 or 3 short videos, you'll have it completely figured out. Have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.